I did a video years back that, for the size of my channel, was very popular. It was how to make a $10 cabinet door. I like these doors. They're inexpensive. You can make them fast. And, you know, tenants, a lot of the repairs that I have been doing were for rentals. They can tear a door up. So I was going to show you, this is in essence a small little kitchen. This is how a lot of times I'll build a kitchen. I'll put tile on top of plywood. The backsplash in this case is just a 2x6 that I had ripped down. Okay. This is the door. I used the Craig pocket hole system. I just butt the joints, use the screws to hold it together, and then I staple a thin piece of plywood to it. I use these kind of hinges. Very simple. The door, I like to use solid wood, but for everything else, to keep it super inexpensive, I just use plywood and I rip it down, 3/4 inch plywood. You can use whatever you want on hand. It really doesn't matter. This is some wainscot that I use, but it could be anything. Luan. That's what it would look like. And then in this particular instance, I bought one of these little refrigerators. Down here, I just attached a cleat to the floor, and that's what made this solid. And I just as if it were a door, I made a small panel right here on the side, and that closed off my cabinet. That's how I make inexpensive kitchens. I mean, really cheap. I'll catch you on the next one.